Let's see how to enable desktop icons on Debian 13 GNOME desktop. Before installing the GNOME desktop extension, we have to install couple of packages, and one is GNOME Extensions Manager for manage our extensions, and then we will also need to install a package called GIR, and we need to install 3.0 for our desktop icons extension. There also a newer version called 4.0, and if you are not sure which version going to need for our desktop icons package, you can install both. First, make sure to update the package disk, and then we will install the GIR package, and we will install both 3.0 and 4.0. I think 4.0 already is installed. And after that we need to install the GNOME shell extensions package, and here's the name of the package we want to install. And now we have our extensions manager, and right now we don't have any desktop icons extensions, so the next step is to install the desktop icons extension. For that, open a web browser and then search for desktop, search for GNOME desktop icons, and you need to go to this URL, and you can also find this link in the description. And from here click this install button, and then click open link, and then install. And now if we go to our extensions manager, and we have this desktop icons ng extension, it is enabled by default as well. Now let's see our desktop, and now we have desktop icons. And customize settings, you can go to settings from this extensions manager, or you can right click the desktop and select desktop icons settings, and here you can choose which icons you want to show. And here, for example, you can turn off the trash icon by turning off this switch. And also one thing missing here is that when you right click the desktop, you don't have option to create a new text file, and we will configure that now. For that, you have to go to this templates folder in your home directory, and then open a terminal. Here, open in terminal, and then run the command touch command to create a new template, and in the double quote type new file.txt. And now if we go to our desktop, we should have new document option to create a new text file, and this option will also available now from our file manager as well. So that's how we enable desktop icons in Debian GNOME desktop. In the next two videos, we will look at how to add the taskbar to GNOME desktop, and also we will look at how to enable minimize and maximize button in GNOME desktop, and you will find those videos in the description.